Konnichiwa mga senpai. So here we are for another unboxing video and we have a new arrival. Medyo malaki to. So we have here Monkey D. Luffy Gear 5 Giant, Figuarts Zero from Bandai Namco. First, remove muna natin itong brown box. Ayan, kita nyo naman, box art pa lang, panalo na. So if you're planning to buy this figure, ito yung front ng box. So dito in front, you'll see the Bandai logo, Tamashii Nations logo, Toei sticker, and the Tamashii Nations sticker. And here's what you'll see on the left side of the box. Then here's the right side of the box. Ito naman yung likod ng box. Note pala senpai, on the rightmost bottom nitong back ng box, you'll find the figure's product number. So take note of this product number. Later we'll check if this product number is printed on the figure itself. And here's what you'll see at the bottom of the box. And finally, ito naman yung top ng box. And that's all for the box. Now we're ready to start unboxing. Once you open the top of the box, you should see these 3 QR codes. Inside the box, you have the figure and a piece of paper, which is actually a manual. And this manual contains instructions on how to combine the effect parts that comes with the figure. So here's the lightning effect part. Actually, there are 2 lightning effect parts. Aside from these 2 lightning effect parts, we have this sash and cloud effect parts. Let me set this aside for now and check the main figure. So here's Monkey D. Luffy Gear 5 Giant in all his glory. Ganda nito senpai, bumili ka na. Now let's follow the instructions printed in this manual and combine the 4 effect parts. So let's start with this purple sash. Finally, I'm done, and again, here's Monkey D. Luffy with his big sleeper. Dito senpai sa ilalim ng sleeper ni Luffy parang may mga dumi, pero part siya talaga ng design. So hindi talaga siya dumi. Now regarding the entire figure itself, so it looks exactly as Gear 5 Luffy in the anime. So he has this white shirt, white shorts, purple sash, white hair, and cloud effect surrounding his shoulder. And then about the cloud base of this figure, there isn't much shading, but it still looks amazing, especially the lightning effects. Now let me look closely at this figure. I can see that there's this scar on Luffy's chest and some abs details as well. And then the eyes of Luffy is in reddish color, which is accurate. And this white curly hair is accurate as well. And then at the back of the figure, you can clearly see how detailed the straw hat was made. And then the cloud effects at the back have a bit of purple shading. Now if you look at the bottom of the cloud base, here you should see the Bandai Spirits embossed letters and the Bandai logo as well. Let me try to put this closer to the camera. Again, we have here the embossed letter Bandai Spirits, the Bandai logo, and the product number. So this product number is the one that we saw earlier at the back of the box. Take note that the product number for this figure is 2697353. Now let me get the box and double check. Here's the box, and at the back we have the product number 2697353. Now I am very sure that this figure is authentic and not a fake one. For the height of this figure's height is approximately 12 inches. Let me measure it on the other side. Yeah, it's approximately 12 inches. For the length, this figure's length is more or less 10 inches. And then for the width of this figure is approximately 14 inches. And then for this figure's weight, this figure weighs around 2.2 kilograms. Now let's do a side-by-side comparison. Let's compare this figure with King of Artists Gear 5 Luffy. Next, let's compare this figure with the Bandai Banpresto DXF Gear 5 Luffy. Let's do another comparison with this Battle Records Gear 5 Luffy. And for the cutest comparison, of course, let's compare this figure with the Funko Pop Gear 5 Luffy. And finally, let's compare this figure with Figuarts Zero Kaido, King of the Beast. Now let me try to put together all the Gear 5 Luffy figures that I compared. Ayan, agree ka naman senpai, no? Ang ganda i-display nitong mga figures na to together. Now, let's give Luffy Gear 5 Giant a quiet time and stare at his huge sleeper. And that ends my unboxing video. Thank you so much for watching. Godspeed!